Hello and welcome to this Kalkine TV special report. Hello, I'm Dean Mitchell. Well, travel and leisure stocks fell on Tuesday after news that people who are on non-essential trips would be fined 5,000 GBP, with some of the biggest shares falling between 5 and 10% on the news of the travel fine. Saga Plc, a catering company who specialises in the catering needs of those above 50, fell 7.26% and was trading at 320 on the GBX from its previous close of 346. The FTSE All-Share Index was down 0.41% at 3,818.23 on the 23rd of March at 11:13 a.m. It offers cruise insurance. The fine on non-essential travel would mean that its travel insurance business would be impacted. Restaurant Group Plc. The shares of Restaurant Group fell 5.92% and were trading at 106.50 GBX from the previous close of 113.20 GBX. The FTSE All-Share Index was down 0.36% at 3,820.31 on the 23rd of March at 11:22 GMT +1. The new normal of the lockdowns in the UK are gradually easing, and a fine on non-essential travel would increase fears of fresh restrictions to contain the spread of new variants of the virus. This affected the company's performance at bourses. SSP Group Plc, the multinational contract food servicing company, shares fell 5.88% and were trading at 320 GBX from the previous close of 340 GBX. The FTSE 250 index was down 0.36% at 21,378.4 on the 23rd of March. The shares of SSP Group were impacted on fears that the new fine imposed is indicative of the fresh set of rules for containing the pandemic. Retravision Plc, the bus operations company, shares were down 5.56% and were trading at 34 GBX from the previous close of 36 GBX. The FTSE AIM All-Share Index was down 0.15% at 1,201.21 on the 23rd of March at 11:26 GMT +1. A fine on non-essential travel would impact the company's revenues as it provides transport solutions. The British low-cost multinational airline EasyJet company shares fell 4.40% and were trading at 899 GBX from the previous close of 941.20 GBX. The FTSE 250 index was down 0.33% at 21,386.96 on the 23rd of March at 11:30 GMT +1. The company's shares have taken a tumble as curbing of non-essential travel would hit the revenues of the aviation and hospitality industries. Cineworld Group, the London-based cinema chain's shares fell 4.76% and were trading at 106 GBX from the previous close of 111.30 GBX. The FTSE 250 index was down 0.30% at 21,391.2 on the 23rd of March at 11:34 GMT +1. The company's shares fell because of the fear around new strains of the virus and the fine on non-essential travel. And finally, the stocks on British American cruise company Carnival fell 3.92% and were trading at 1,595 GBX from the previous close of 1,660 GBX. The FTSE 250 index was down 0.23% at 21,406.38 on the 23rd of March at 11:39 GMT +1. The cruise business, of course, has been bleeding because of the travel restrictions, and another fine would further dent its prospects for the foreseeable future. We hope you enjoyed this special report. Thank you for watching, and please stay with us here at Kalkine TV.